Okay, so first make a circle or a disc. Then you can make a curved shape. Put them on top of each other. This is gonna be the rock, and this is gonna be the water. Then you can make a cylinder, which is kind of narrower on one side and wider on the other. Then you take the toothpick, you stab into the rock, then you put this on. Then you take another toothpick, you stab the side onto the tower, and put this on. This is sort of a round cylinder, shorter. Then finally, you make a cone. So you make a cone. Or a pyramid, both works. Like this, and then put it on top for the roof. Then for the house, just make a pentagon. Put it on the side. And then make the roof, so take a flat piece, rectangular piece, like this, and put it on. Just like that. And then for the boat itself, make like a trapezoid with like a wedge right here. Just like this. And then put it on right here. And you could take toothpicks to secure both. So just stab them through and into the bottom. And then you can add a little chimney here to cover up the toothpick. So for chimney, just do a cylinder.